Hey, and welcome to Just Chevy Trucks. What we've got today is stock number 171225. It is an 02 Silverado 2500 HD. It has an LQ4 rated in at 305 horse. A little skeptical on that number. Sometimes it's 300. We've got the radiator hooked up. We've got everything. I've got Mike in the cockpit. He's going to give it a couple revs in a second after we get the mileage. So I'm going to go ahead and hand the phone to Mike real quick. Thank you, Mike.
There we go. Sorry about that. All right, we are at 156,000 miles. Our oil pressure at temperature is 40 pounds. As you can see, temps right about 210. All right, and ready? We're going to give this thing a couple of good cranks. As you can see, the oil pressure went up to about 70 pounds, which is fantastic. I'm going to shut her down now. And I'm going to give you back to Kevin.
Alrighty, thanks, Mike. That was a great test of the rev limiter on that one. If you're looking to swap this in any LS swap, or you're just looking at a replacement engine, give us a call at Just Chevy Trucks, 207-457-5500, and have a great day.